Ed Moy has talked to you about precious metal IRAs, and I want to talk to you today about owning physical gold. I think of physical gold as a form of wealth insurance, a way of protecting yourself and your assets in times of market turbulence. And the way that works is that when other assets are declining in value, say stocks or bonds or real estate or crypto, gold is often holding its value or it's increasing in value, thereby offsetting the losses that you have in other parts of your portfolio. And gold has really played this role over and over again during periods of economic or political crisis. So, what happened last week when fear ran through the marketplace? Well, what happened was the biggest banking crisis since the 2008 financial crisis. We had 3 banks go down. And as a result of that, we saw major market declines. For example, in the S&P 500, we saw a decline of over 150 points. In the NASDAQ, we saw a decline of almost 400 points. In the Dow Jones, we saw a decline of over 1,000 points. We also know that home values have declined since the peak of last year over much of the country, and in some markets as much as or more than 10%. And then there's crypto. For those of us who follow cryptocurrencies, we know the beating they have taken. In fact, crypto contributed to the fall of 2 of the 3 banks that fell last week. And the third bank is especially interesting because it fell because of bad bets on treasury bonds. That's really an unusual situation because treasuries are one of the safest forms of investment. But this bank faced a run and had to sell treasuries at a loss. And as a result, the FDIC had to come in on Friday and close the bank down. So this is the kind of turmoil that I'm talking about where gold comes into play. So what did gold do last week during those 3 crucial trading sessions? Well, gold, while these other assets were declining, gold increased in value by about $97. And we can really illustrate this in a longer term as well. Over the last 6 months, as various indices and asset classes have been whipsawed, gold has gone up in value by about $220 an ounce. So this is what I mean by wealth protection. Gold as part of a portfolio offsets losses in other assets, other parts of your portfolio. Now, can we hope that this turbulence is behind us? Well, maybe we can hope it, but I certainly wouldn't count on it. If you share the kinds of concerns and worries that I have about my family's well-being, our financial security, I urge you to call us and inquire about the role that gold can play in protecting your assets, protecting your family's security, whether it's in the form of physical gold or as a precious metal IRA. There may be a role for gold. So give us a call. Thank you.